a groundbreaking solution to tackle traffic congestion during peak hours. A hydraulic press compacts a large number of empty pans with ease. Copper pipes are welded together using electromagnetic induction, a truly spectacular process. In a car manufacturing factory, vehicles are dipped in a special anti-rust coating to create a protective layer. This tool makes transporting large water cans easier while minimizing human effort. A powerful machine instantly straightens bent or twisted metal pipes, restoring them to their original form. This robot, designed like a military tank, is equipped with a powerful water jet to efficiently clean chimney ducts. An excavator equipped with a 6-shovel attachment digs up a tree and removes it from the roots for transplantation to another location. This DIY boat is incredibly useful for farmers, equipped with water pipes on both sides to irrigate plants simultaneously. Mattresses are compressed before shipping to save space and ensure easy transport. A machine slices sheets of dough into perfect squares for pastries. Experience the unmatched precision of a CNC machine in action. This is how a hot metal rod is converted into a spring. Pretty cool, right? A machine breaks down hay into tiny pieces using a rotating shaft. A machine compresses cement powder and transforms it into solid cement blocks. This machine efficiently sends high-quality metal rings for packaging with remarkable accuracy. This truck autonomously loads pallets, mixes them into cement, and dispenses the mortar on its own. Stitching an entire pair of jeans has never been easier, even with your eyes closed. Ever wonder how plastic water tanks are made? Take a look at this. Ingenious invention flawlessly ejects defective eggs from the conveyor track with precision. Large rocks are meticulously cut into beautiful marble slabs. This automated car washing system cleans vehicles without any human intervention. This machine transforms uneven logs into perfectly round poles. The machine sucks up roadside soil and collects it in its container. This clever excavator attachment replaces concrete blocks beneath train tracks with precision. Induction hardening strengthens steel and alloy components for durability. This machine takes a flat sheet of metal and transforms it into roofing sheets. In a nail manufacturing factory, nails are produced in a seamless process like this. The machine simultaneously inserts artificial hair into the toy's head with perfect accuracy. In a garment factory, fabric layers are cut simultaneously to ensure efficient production. Watch the mesmerizing magic of bottles being capped with precision in minutes. Wine bottles receive a secure seal with a dip in red wax at a bottling factory. No need to clear drains manually. This machine does an excellent job with its special attachment. Watch as a robust excavator effortlessly dismantles railway tracks. A fast-moving sharp blade cuts through wood as if it were butter. With an inventive use of a motorcycle engine, this group effortlessly pulls heavy loads uphill.